Globe, a model of the earth. Lesson number 2, 6th class. Now, what is a globe? Globe is nothing but a model of the earth. It shows the shape of the earth, the land and water, the continents and the ocean, and the main countries of the world. We can all see this is actually a model, handy model of the earth, Nana. We cannot catch the earth in our hand, no? We cannot take the photo. On maps, you can see on a flat surface, right? But in a globe, it is a round spherical ball which is the model of the earth, which shows the land, water, continents, oceans, and all the countries of the world. This is a globe now. See. Okay. You also have it in your library over here. So next time when you come to school, your teacher will show you what is a globe and how it looks like. Mostly you must have seen in your lower classes. If not, when you come back to school, you can have a look at it. Next. What is the shape of the earth? We all know that the shape of the earth is like a ball, but actually it is spherical in shape. Actually, earth is not perfectly round, Amma. It is pressed a little at two poles and bulged slightly in the middle around the line called equator. Okay. So, earth is actually not round in shape. It is little spherical. Now, here you see this is equator. This line is equator. Okay. And see here the shape of the earth, it's not round. Here see it is little bulgy. In the center it is little bulgy. Okay. Bulgy ante koncham nokkinattu untundi. Okay. So this is the shape of the earth, and earth is divided into two hemispheres or poles, we can say, with the help of an equator, which we learn further. Now, interesting facts about the discovery of the earth, whether earth is flat or spherical. Now, if you start at a place on the globe, you can return to the starting point without looking back, Nana. వెనక్కి తిరిగి చూడకుండా మీరు గ్లోబ్ లో ఒక పాయింట్ ని టచ్ చేశారనుకోమ్మా, దాన్ని అలా తిప్పారనుకో, మళ్ళీ ఆ టచ్ పాయింట్ కి మీరు వచ్చేస్తారు. మీరు ఎక్కడైతే టచ్ చేశారో ఆ పాయింట్ కి మళ్ళీ వచ్చేస్తారు. అంటే వెనక్కి తిరిగి మీరు వెళ్ళాల్సిన అవసరం ఉండదు. బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్పెరికల్ ఇన్ షేప్. బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్పెరికల్ ఇన్ షేప్. 600 years ago, people used to believe that earth was a flat surface. They would fall off into the sky if they reached the edge of the earth. పూర్వం 600 సంవత్సరాల క్రిందట, 600 కూడా కాదు, ఒక రకంగా చెప్పాలంటే 6000 సంవత్సరాల క్రితం మనుషులు అలా అనుకునేవాళ్ళు. ఏంటి, ఎర్త్ ఒక ఫ్లాట్ సర్ఫేస్ అని, మనం అంచుల దాకా వెళ్ళిపోతే కింద స్కైలో పడిపోతామని ఇలా ఊహించుకునేవాళ్ళు. సి దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎర్త్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎర్త్, ఇదంతా ఎర్త్ అనుకునేవాళ్ళు. ఓకే. ఈ రెడ్ సర్కిల్ నేను మార్క్ చేస్తున్నానే, ఇదంతా ఎర్త్ అనుకునేవాళ్ళు. ఇక్కడి నుంచి మనం కొంచెం ఇటు వెళ్ళిపోయామంటే కింద పడిపోతాం స్కైలో అనుకునేవాళ్ళు. దే యూస్ టు థింక్ దట్ వే, దట్ ఇఫ్ వి గో టు ద ఎడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎర్త్ వి విల్ ఫాల్ డౌన్. ఓకే. బట్ it has actually been known that the earth was round since the time of ancient Greeks, Nana. Actually, first Pythagoras was the man who told that earth is round in shape. But he didn't have the guts to prove it. He didn't have any scientific reason to prove it. Then Aristotle also told that earth was round. But when Columbus, an Italian explorer, set out from Europe in 1492 in western direction with the hope of reaching India, but he reached Caribbean islands near America, that he made people believe that earth is round in shape and earth is not flat. Okay, Nana? So, కొలంబస్ ఈయన వీళ్ళందరూ చెప్పిన పాయింట్ ని కొంచెం చెప్పాడు. యాక్చువల్ గా మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ గా ఈయన ప్రూవ్ చేయలే. హీ ఆల్సో డిడ్ నాట్ ప్రూవ్ దట్ ఎర్త్ ఈస్ రౌండ్ ఇన్ షేప్. ఓకే. బట్ సిన్స్ ద పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రీక్స్, ఏన్షియంట్ గ్రీక్స్, అప్పటి నుంచి అందరికి ఒక అనుమానం, ఎర్త్ ఈస్ రౌండ్ ఇన్ షేప్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ స్క్వేర్ అండ్ స్టేషనరీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ స్క్వేర్ అండ్ స్టేషనరీ, ఇట్ ఈస్ రౌండ్ ఇన్ షేప్. ఓకే. Now, if you see the globe, most of the earth's surface is filled with water in the form of oceans, Nana. Seas and oceans stretch up to hundreds and thousands of kilometers. We have total 5 oceans, Nana. One is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Southern Ocean. Now, I'll just show you in this image. See, this is the world of oceans. This is Atlantic Ocean. This is Arctic Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean. This is Indian Ocean. And here comes the Southern Ocean. See, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, so these are the 5 oceans that we have, Nana. Now, again, we cannot live in water, no? So we need land to live. You can see large sheets of land on the globe. They are called continents. And we have total 7 continents, Amma. One is Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, see this one. This is Australia. This is Asia. This is Africa. This is South America. This is North America. And this is Europe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is Antarctica. Okay. This one is Antarctica. So these are the total 7 continents on our earth. Okay, Nana? We all live on these continents. Now see, our earth is having 2 poles, Amma. One is North Pole and the other one is South Pole. Now let us know the interesting facts about North Pole and South Pole. Both the poles are covered with ice. Okay, North Pole has Arctic Ocean and South Pole has an Antarctic shield of ice. Antarctic shield of ice. రెండు చాలా చల్లగా ఉంటాయమ్మా ఎప్పుడు. See, this is North Pole, this is South Pole. North Pole, South Pole. Okay, they always have ice in it, covered with ice. Okay, now directions on globe. Now you have seen previously in the previous lesson how to see directions on a flat surface. Now here we are going to see the directions of globe. Okay, now earth is divided by equator, Nana. This is earth. Okay, this is divided by equator. Equator divides the earth into 2 parts. This is northern hemisphere. See, priorly also we told you know anything up is north, anything down is south. So this is North Pole and this is South Pole. Okay, Nana? And these are longitudes, these are latitudes. Okay, now we will see further. Lines on the globe. You will find a lot of lines from North Pole to South Pole and some lines from east to west on the globe. Okay, now what are these lines? Let us see. See, these lines. What are these lines? Okay, see these lines. What are these lines? Okay, latitudes are imaginary lines that are drawn horizontally from east to west. The longest of these lines is called equator because see I told you earth is little bulged here. So this is the longest latitude line, Nana. Okay, and equator divides the earth into 2 halves called hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere, the other one is southern hemisphere. There are 90 latitudes in each hemisphere. ఇక్కడ పైన 90 ఉంటాయి, కింద 90 ఉంటాయి. Okay, these are called latitudes. These are horizontal lines drawn at 1 degree distance. Okay, and total 90 latitudes are there in each hemisphere. Now let us see what are longitudes. Okay, now these are also imaginary lines, Amma. This one is the middle line. Okay, and like this they divide the earth. These are also at a degree of 1 degree angle tone ivi kuda ee lines kuda untai. This divides earth into east hemisphere and west hemisphere. West and east. And this is called east hemisphere and this is called west hemisphere. This is the middle line, Nana. See, this is the middle line. Okay, and there are imaginary lines drawn from the North Pole to South Pole. This is North Pole. Okay, and this is South Pole. Okay, and these are longitudes. All these vertically drawn lines are longitudes. Okay, Nana? There are two main longitudes. The Greenwich line, which is also called 0-degree longitude. Now, Greenwich line, see, this is the Greenwich line. Okay, this is the Greenwich line. And we all calculate time according to this line, Nana. And international date line, which is also called 180 degrees east or west. International date line, which is also called 180 degrees east or west. It will be the other side of the globe, Nana. We cannot see it in this image. So that is another important longitude. So mostly in each hemisphere, there are 180 longitudes. Latitudes వచ్చి 90 ఉంటాయి, 90, 90, 180 ఉంటాయి. Longitudes వచ్చి 180, 180, 360 ఉంటాయి నాన్న. Okay. So globe is nothing but the longitudes and latitudes cover the map as a net and help us to find the places, Amma. If you know the latitude and longitude of a place, then you can easily identify the places on map. వీటి గురించి ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది మీరు తెలుసుకోవాల్సింది. అది మీరు హయ్యర్ క్లాసెస్కి వెళ్తున్న కొద్దీ మీరు తెలుసుకుంటారు. ఓకే, there are so many issues that you have to know regarding all these Greenwich line, 180 degrees longitude line. These all you will get to know when you go to the higher classes. Okay, ma? So in this lesson, briefly what we tell you is what is globe. Globe is a model of the earth, and what is an equator, what is a latitude, what is a longitude, how many latitudes we are having and how many longitudes we are having, how many oceans we are having and how many continents we are having. This is the lesson you have to follow. Okay, this is second lesson, globe. Okay, Nana, I hope you all have understood. You have any doubts, you can call to your teacher, Sujata Miss, and you can ask her if you have any doubts. Okay, Nana, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, listen to your parents. I should not get any complaint that you people are not listening to them. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you.